Good morning, class 12 students. As you know, we are doing Indian economic development and we are on chapter number 2. Today, we are going to start the full topic which is given on page number 31. So, the name of the topic is Type of Economies: Capitalist Economy, Socialist Economy, and Mixed Economy. Students, if you remember, these types of economy we have already done in class 11. So, let's revise this chapter. Here in this topic we are going to read about the features, definition, merits and demerits of capitalist economy, socialist economy and mixed economy. So first point is capitalistic economy. Capitalistic economy is defined as one in which means of production is owned by the individuals, and the individuals are free to take their economic decisions and guide by the principle of profit maximization. Students, capitalist economy is owned by the individual, means owned by the private person. They are free to take the economic decisions regarding the production, consumption and investment. And their main motive is profit maximization. The features, the silent features of capitalistic economy are as under. They are the private ownership, underline this. This should be your key, this is your keyword. It means of production. That means they are owned by the private individuals for the mean of production. Second point is mean of production is used in the manner such that the profit are maximized. The main motive of capitalist economy is that they to maximize as much as profit. Third point is the role of the government is largely confined to maintenance of law and order, defense of the country. Students, here the main motive, like we have the American economy also, the government only play a role in maintaining the laws and order and defense of the country. There is no role played by the government regarding the production, consumption or investment. Merits. The principal merits of the system is that to promote self-interest. This is the first point. Promote self-interest. Second point is profit maximized and GDP growth is accelerated. They see, because it is owned by the private individuals, the main motive is self-interest, promote self-interest so that maximum people can invest in the country. Second is for the profit maximization, and the third point is growth. GDP growth is accelerated, means growth GDP is increased. Demerits is the principal demerit of the system is that it ignores collective interest of the society. It means that in this type of economy, if a country is having this type of economy, capitalist economy, the collective means the interest of the society is being taken for granted. Not that they are not taking the interest, but the main motive is profit maximization and to increase the GDP, to increase the production. Okay, class? So this complete your capitalistic economy. Thank you.